Hello, Madam and Sir. Good morning. Thank you so much for this opportunity. It's my honor. By the way, Madam, let me introduce myself first. My name is Annabel De Versedi, 28 years old, single. I am college graduate major in programming and I live in Pagadan City, Philippines. I've been working for 6 years as a nanny of newborn baby and 2 years old child. I also doing household chores like general cleaning and cooking. I also have experience working as a liaison officer of city government in Pagadian. If you will give me a chance to work with your family, I will do my best and I'll do all my duties and responsibilities. I am hardworking and trustworthy, loving, caring, and kind, easy to deal with, and flexible to all the multitask. Thank you so much for your time and looking forward for your response. Thank you and God bless, Madam. Bye-bye.